Imagine your salary is delayed tomorrow and an unexpected bill arrives. One question suddenly matters. Where will the money come from? Welcome to foundation level of Invest Data Investing and Investment Education. I'm Sandra, and the topic we'll be looking at is, what is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is money you set aside only for unexpected problems. It is not for data, food, or outings. Think of it as your financial first aid box. It covers things you did not plan for and cannot avoid. Hospital bills, job loss, repairs, urgent family travel, house problems, or a delay in your salary. But a Black Friday sale, a new iPhone, or an outing does not qualify. Those are regular savings goals. Your emergency fund is strictly for genuine financial emergencies. The standard target is 3 to 6 months of basic expenses. Think food, rent, transport, electricity, data, and health, not lifestyle wants. If your basic expenses are 60,000 Naira monthly, your target is 180,000 Naira to 360,000 Naira. As a student, even 50,000 Naira to 100,000 Naira is a good start. Keep it somewhere safe and accessible within 24 hours, a separate savings account, money market fund, or savings app that allows quick withdrawal. Avoid putting emergency money in stocks, crypto, fixed deposits, or under your mattress. You need access when an emergency happens, without unnecessary delays or losses. Follow 2 rules. Use it only for real emergencies. And if you use it, your next financial job is to refill it back to your target. In Nigeria, prices change fast and jobs can be unstable. Start with 1 month of expenses, then automate 5 to 10% of your income until you reach at least 3 months. Name the account emergency only and protect it. Savings is for goals. An emergency fund is for protection. Start yours today. See you in our next video.